click on flight route. Here you can either import a new route by KML or KMZ. You can also just create an area route. Select a destination. For instance, I'm going to draw points here. On the top left, it tells you your mapping area. And I select that. Then I can do settings on the right hand side. Mavic 3 series with the camera model of M3M. And select the lens, just do the RGB. It creates a route. You can do ortho collection or oblique. Oblique will fly it the mission 5 times. I guess in this case it's only 2 times. On the ortho collection, you have a GSD there, but you can set your altitude, say 200 feet. Give 1.64 centimeter per pixel. You do want to do the elevation optimization, which will fly a single line towards the center of the mission. And you can control the speed of the drone and course angle if you need to change the direction of the flight based on winds. And then upon completion, return to home. If you need to adjust advanced settings, you can change your overlaps. And then on the left, you can give it a name. And then on the left hand side, all the way to the left, click on the disk icon to save it. It's going to give you a summary of what you're flying. 42 acres in this case, GSD of 1.64, total distance, and then the duration. To fly it, you would just click on the little play button right there. If you need to edit the mission, to the right of the name test, click on that arrow and then click on the pencil to edit. Click on the back arrow in the top left hand corner to go to the library. Press back again if you want to go to the initial screen. On the right hand side, top right, is the green button that says normal. That is tells you what everything is going on. You can ignore that maintenance requirement. It's something DJI just doesn't go away ever. Press the back button again. On the lower right hand corner, you can use enter camera view. And this is a summary of your pre-flight checklist, just to see what your settings, such as max distance flight, we can turn that off. And obstacle avoidance is set to avoid. And then you get alerts if you're in horizontal, upward, or downward sensing. And RTK in this case is disabled, although if you have an intrip network, you can get higher accuracy with that.